Just 3 ingredients, no baking powder or improver to make this amazing cake. As you can see, it's 12 centimeter high and 20 centimeter wide. Just 3 ingredients found in every home. Let's begin. 8 eggs, a cup and a quarter of sugar, which is 250 grams, and 2 cups of flour, which is 240 grams. The most important thing is to sift the flour, as you can see. Then just add a pinch of salt and some vanilla. No improver or baking powder needed. Watch how it's done. Beat the 8 eggs at a very high speed. Wait until they rise, then gradually add the sugar as if making Italian meringue. Finish the whole amount when the texture is perfect. Exactly 8 minutes on high speed, then gradually add the flour and fold it in, as you can see. Once all the flour is in, this is cake flour. If you don't know how to make cake flour at home, write flour in the comments and I'll send you how to make it at home. Fill my mold, which is 20 centimeter in diameter and 10 centimeter high. You can use a 24 centimeter mold if it's 6 centimeter high. Preheat the oven for at least 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. It takes 40 minutes. Please pray for mercy for my mother and father from your heart, and thank you.